Are you tired of starting fresh every Monday and falling off by Wednesday? The truth? You don't need more motivation. You need a better daily routine, one that actually sticks. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple yet powerful routine for self-improvement. Start with this simple yet powerful step. Wake up and give yourself 30 distraction-free minutes. No phone, no chaos, just stillness. Drink water, move a little, and write down 3 things you're grateful for. That 10-minute mindset shift will shape your entire day. Now, when you start working, go in with a clear goal. Try 90 minutes of focused work, followed by a 20-minute break. Turn off your notifications. Your brain deserves deep work, not constant buzzing. Feeling that midday crash? Don't reach for your phone to scroll. Instead, take a 5-minute walk. Breathe. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I must finish today? One win is bigger than 10 half-finished tasks. And end your day with intention. No screens an hour before bed. Reflect on what went well and what didn't. Then sleep. Because true growth isn't just about pushing hard. It's also about recharging for tomorrow. The perfect routine isn't perfect, it's consistent. Small wins, daily effort. That's how you rewire your mind. Subscribe for more growth-related content. Let's build your best self, one day at a time.